Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today we are making pounded yam without mortar and pestle and food processor. First, I'll peel the yam. After peeling, I will dice the yam into bits. And transfer into a bowl of water. Next, I'll go ahead and transfer into a blender. Add some water, not too much, and then I'll blend the yam. Just so you know guys, I blended it 4 times just so I get a very smooth consistency. Trust me, you don't want lumps in your pounded yam. So while we are blending the yam, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share my videos. Thank you for doing that. Next, I'll pour the blended yam into a pot. Continue stirring until it comes together like so. So my pounded yam is ready, as you can see. I feel like there is no difference between this method and the pounding method. So as you can see now, guys, my pounded yam is ready and it tasted really good, tasted amazing. I enjoyed my pounded yam with correct Nigerian egusi soup. Okay, and it tastes really, really good. Thank you for watching. Thank you, guys. Bye.